I'd like to introduce the Bugatti.
Yeah, so today, me and my boy, we went to this Excal, Cars and Coffee, and it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good. Y'all will see, watch. Not gonna lie, bro. The last few times I've been to this meet, it was kind of mid. There wasn't nothing crazy, but I'm not gonna lie. Actually, nah. The first time I went here was for a trunk or treat. It was actually pretty good. I wish I would have recorded that. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty fun. People actually went all out. There's one dude had a red and gold STO and like wrapped it in like an Iron Man wrap type thing. It was actually pretty sick. If I have a photo of it still, I'll put it up on the screen or a video. And yeah, we should be there in like 5 minutes. So catch you when I get there. Right now we're about like 2 minutes away. My friend just called me and said that there's a Bugatti Chiron there, a Pure Sport, Senna, STO and a Ferrari F8. Do I believe that? I don't know. So let's see when we pull up. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I really trust his word there. Yeah, let's see. I'll start the camera again when I get in the parking lot. Ooh, look at that Viper. Oh my gosh, Viper GT500. Ooh, hold on, it low-key might be stacked today. You know, 4th of July was yesterday, so people are low-key outside. So I hope he ain't lying about them cars that's there. Because if not, I'm gonna be upset that I woke up this early. I ain't go to sleep till like 2 a.m. last night. 1 Bugatti, 2 Bugatti covers, 3 Bugatti colors. Senna. This lineup today is genuinely insane. This is dead mogging Katie's. Katie's, you will never see me ever again, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Katie's, you don't have to pay me to come out. Right, bro. Green carbon Senna. This Senna, I'm not gonna lie. Am I crazy for taking the Senna over the Bugatti? SVJ. Technica. Yeah, I was gonna tell you that. F8. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. Look at this twin turbo, bro. Like, this meat is getting pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. This is just the regular lot though. We're headed to this kid's car. He just got a repo the other day. No, I'm lying. He bought a Lemon SI straight off the lot. Oh,
2 miles on it.
Look at this. The quote-unquote Racer Spec SI. He could tuck a little bit more.
You said what?
You could tuck a little more.
I am gonna tuck a little more.
Oh, look at the water specs,
all right, bro.
How much that spec costs?
Like 40,000. But the plan is for the car next time. It's gonna. This is why we cannot have nice things in the world.
Why are we playing dinosaur? Oh my, Baja Spec TRX, bro.
I don't know why how you walk right past it.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so the plan is, chat, is that we're going to attempt to blow the 1.5 up within the next year. Now, you're probably wondering why the hell would we do that? Well, I'm a car guy. So that's kind of the shit we kind of do.
You want to blow up a car you just got 5 months ago.
Not even. I got
Not even 5 months ago, bro.
But hey, I'm thinking turbo, intercooler. I already have an intake inlet pipe.
I'm surprised you didn't buy the intercooler yet.
It comes with the kit. That's why I didn't buy it yet.
Oh, tight.
So then what I'll do is, all right, bet. I'll do that. Once I finish that,
yeah.
all I gotta do is do the tune, the clutch,
yeah,
the studs, and we're done.
And then blow up. Tight.
Kaboom. And let me buy one of these things right here.
See, now you're getting mogged. I didn't even peep the Type R. And it's in blue. This is a Dylan spec of doom.
What, Superman?
I wouldn't want the red though. I'm not gonna lie, I would change the color of the red.
I'll get a jump black that.
Or white. 720S just chilling in the community parking. They ain't even let bro over there with the other nice
Oh
ones.
my god, that's Supra.
Oh my god, a Supra. Holy. Like bro, King Supra, nothing beats a Supra. Is that how the TikTok kids talk? This is dead at Dylan spec, bro. Look at the Dylan spec at Dylan, bro. Oh my god. Over there. Like F1000 double R. V4 double R.
Legendary W16 engine has dominated, and this car is going to be the homage, and I'm gonna let Dan from Bugatti take over, but I want to thank all of you guys from X Gallon Driven for coming out, and let's get ready to unveil this very special car. Here with Bugatti is Dan.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Happy 250th birthday of America. Hope everyone was able to enjoy some fireworks with family and friends this weekend. What better way to celebrate? Thank you, Jeff, for having us here today at the Ultimate Shooting Range. I love to come here. It's awesome. Thank you so much. And we're very blessed to be here. Honored to be here to have some very, very special cars, as Constantine said. Maybe I'll talk a little bit about it. My name's Dan Pavlanek. I'm head of business development for Bugatti of America. I'm actually flying to the factory right after this, going back to see our new car that's coming out early next year. So very excited for that. But before that, let me talk about some of the cars we have here in front of you. Over here on the right, we have a very, very special car, one of my favorites. It's a Bugatti Pure Sport. It's a one of one for a very special customer. It was made together with the customer and the factory. It's an homage to a 1937 Bugatti called the Tank that won the Le Mans. I'd like to introduce the Bugatti Mistral.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
The Bugatti Mistral is the pinnacle of Bugatti's roadster heritage. It's also the final expression of our legendary W16 engine.
One Bugatti. I'd say X-Cal was a success for the one time, wasn't it, boy?
For sure.
Better than, all right, bro. Better than Katie's?
Oh, 100%.
3 Bugattis? Oh, 3 Bugattis? And
not
a
one,
Senna.
not 2.
There's an Ultimate there too now.
Huh?
There's an Ultimate over there now too. Black and red. And now we're out to IHOP. It's mad hot and I'm hungry. Thank you for watching. I forgot to low-key record an outro when I was there. Hopefully there should be another video soon. Might be doing stuff to my car. Guess y'all just have to see. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. My TikTok, it'll be linked down below.